Okay, you just got your Art Noir tattoo towel dispenser, and you're wondering, where do I put it? Luckily, the Art Noir tattoo towel dispenser can be secured in a variety of places: walls, tattoo stations, or mayo trays. This video will cover wall mounting. Let's get started. First things first, remove the dispenser from the box and lay all other items on a flat surface. Inside the box, you'll find the dispenser, hardware, instructions, and divider. The tools you'll need are the hardware that was included, a drill with a 7 and 32nd drill bit, a screwdriver, a bubble level, scissors and painter's tape, and a hammer or mallet. On the last page of the instruction manual, you'll see a template that you can put on your wall, which will help you hang the dispenser. Cut that sheet out of the instructions and tape it to the desired wall. Make sure it's level. Using the 7 and 32nd drill bit, drill 4 holes through the sheet and wall. Using a hammer or mallet, hit the drywall anchors into the holes and make sure they are flush with the wall. Use a screwdriver to screw in 2 of the screws that are provided into the top 2 anchors only. Leave the screws about 1/4 inch from the wall to provide spacing for the dispenser to slide on. Open the dispenser and screw in the bottom 2 screws and then tighten the top screws, thus securing the dispenser. You have successfully installed the Art Noir tattoo towel dispenser. Now let's load it. Take one of your packages of Art Noir tattoo towels and open it and place it inside the dispenser. Take the green divider and place it on top. Place the second pack of towels on top of the green divider and close. Use your index, middle, and thumb to pinch the towels, pulling down to start the dispenser. You are now ready to tattoo.